doing an unboxing video of two Beyblade Burst Evolutions. The first one is this awesome new stick recolor for Green Fafnir, the Green Fafnir, and then it will be Surge Excalibur 3. Now I'll use the scissors to open it. So this might be a part of the video. So guys, we got one of these here. So we also got and guys, we first were able to pull out this the ripcord. Next up, what we're going to pull out is the instructions. Now we got the Beyblade and the launcher. Now put this out. Put the lid out. Put the lid out. Look at this really cool Surge Excalibur. And here's the QR code if you're looking for it. Look how cool it is. Now I'll get the Fortress, which is 1. So it's cool, right? And last but not least is the driver, Iron. It has a metal point on the bottom. So now let's get this Beyblade together. And if you were looking how Xander does triple impact, you might see this sword point over here. So keep it on this metal sword. There it is. And perfect. So now this is the completed version of Surge Excalibur. Now onto the green version of Green Fafnir. Guys, so first we got the record as usual and the instructions, which we don't really need. And now we'll be going into Green Fafnir. So first up we have this really cool Green Fafnir. The QR code is over here. Now is the forge disc. It's a 2-part forge disc. So here's the metal, it's 7, and the frame is cross. It's detachable. Cool, right? And last is the driver. Exposed to survive. And here's the driver. Here's survive. Cool, right? And now let's put it together. And now, this is the end of our video.